I've been very lucky and have received this fabulous Bernina B540 sewing machine for Christmas, and I've unboxed it. I've read the manual, as much of it as I can. I've put all of the feet that I've received with the sewing machine into the box that comes with the machine, which is fantastic. It's got a little drawer at the bottom where you can put all your bits. Oops, excuse my fingers. So I've got all my various presser feet, I've got my bobbins, I've got the discs that hold the thread on, I've got that's my buttonhole foot. There's a little place here for the needles, and that's the larger of the spool holders there. And coming back to the machine itself, this is the first time I've switched it on. So are you ready? I'm very excited. Oh, if I can find out where that is. There we go. Okay, switched on. Is it going to do anything? Oh, there it is. Ooh. How exciting. Oh, it's got lights. Oh my gosh. Now it's asking me what language I want to be in. So I've got a little pen so that I can press on that. I'm going to press the English. Now what? I have read the manual. And there it is. I'm very happy. Thank you. I'll maybe show you a few more videos later when I've had a chance to practice. Here we go. That was the very first time it's been switched on. Thank you, Rich. This is marvellous.